Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'm doing a how I curl my hair video. Super easy. You just need a couple of things. So yeah, if you want to see how I curl my hair, then definitely just keep on watching. Okay, so what I started off with was I already brushed my hair, so my hair's brushed. I washed it 2 days ago, so this is second day hair. I'm gonna go in with the Way hair oil, and it just looks like this. Great, so I'm just gonna pump maybe like one big pump onto my palms and just run this throughout my hair. Guys, this product is amazing. It smells so good, like a nice florally scent, but without being too like overpowering. So nice, and very luxurious. Just running that through my hair, especially my ends, because I do dye my hair, so I want my hair to look as natural and healthy as possible. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna go in and just part my hair. Now I just have the bottom section. I'm using my wand. This is the Redken, I think 1/2 inch. I think it's the 1/2 inch. So this is what it looks like. And then I have the heat at 410. And I'm just gonna start taking about 1 inch sections and just curling my hair and leaving like a little bit out, so like that, just to give it like that natural beachy look. And then let me go. So like that. You'll see better once I get towards like the front of the pieces. So then this one I'm alternating. So I'm bringing this one forward, just so all the curls don't stick together. And this part, I'm just gonna curl away from my face because it's the front piece. You just want to curl all the front curls away from your face. It's just more flattering. Perfect. Okay, so we're just gonna let those hang out while we do the other side. Okay, so the bottom layer is done. Now I'm just gonna do the top and then I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so my hair is completely done. As you can see, since I used a smaller wand, it gave me like smaller curls. So you have two options here. One, you could literally just brush it out and make it like big and kind of poofy. Or two, you can just leave it like this, which I think I'm gonna do. And then as they drop throughout the day, it's just gonna look so nice, so natural. This is just so fun, kind of like a little bit of 90s style, kind of crimped, super cool. So yeah, this is super quick. It took me like maybe 10 minutes tops to do my entire head. I just parted it in 2 different sections and then just went from there, which was great. But yeah, so I don't spray anything on my hair. My hair just actually holds a curl very well, so I'm leaving it like this. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you guys as subscribers, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.